Hi, my name is Hussin. I'm come from a company called ACKGROUND. What we do is that we provide training services, giving people skills and also certifying them. When I was studying back then, there was no such thing as YouTube, there was no such thing as computers. Computers were there, they were very, very early in the stage. So I studied basically everything myself, self-learning. So I found out how things are done, read about it in a book. Things build up, so I ask questions to people, and that's how I learn. It changes a lot is because of technology. Technology changes very rapidly now. If you compare to making content or making movies 20 years ago, it has totally changed now. Now you can see movies are being made quickly and the quality is much, much better. If you want to get into the creative industry, obviously you need to go to university, get your degree, get your fundamentals. Yeah. Other than that, you can just learn it yourself. There are a lot of ways you can learn. There are a lot of online courses. YouTube is there for you to learn stuff. But get your degree, get the fundamentals right, and then learn more as you go along. For you to prepare to go into the creative industry, as I said again, you must love the industry. You must be very passionate. You need to ask yourself, is this thing for me for the rest of my life?